Today on Spanish Taster, I'm going to show you how to make beer nuts Spanish style. Fried almonds or almendras fritas. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes and it's a really easy recipe. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more Spanish food. You can also find the basic recipe in the description below along with some variations if you're tempted to add some different spices. So almonds are used a lot in Spanish food, and fried almonds can be picked up in any Spanish supermarket. So you can see here the supermarket ones are quite pale, and I'm going to take some whole blanched almonds and make them golden brown and salty. So first you need to get a small pan and put it on medium heat with about 1 centimeter of oil. Okay, this is probably more oil than I would normally use. I just used vegetable oil. When you think it's up to the right temperature, test one of your nuts in the oil, and you should have bubbles like this, but it shouldn't be smoking. Then go ahead and put in the rest of your almonds. Okay, you really need to watch them and move them about in the oil. You can see I'm a little absent at this point. I turn my back to prepare some kitchen paper for draining. And you can see they've already started to change colour. In fact, I didn't edit this whole section of the video where the almonds were cooking. So you can see the whole process takes less than 2 minutes. Once they're starting to turn golden like this, you should be stirring them. So stir, stir, stir. Keep stirring like that with a slotted spoon is great. And then once they're starting to go golden, start pulling them out. It always takes a bit longer than you think, and they're really hot, so you should be careful with the nuts. So scoop them out and put them onto your prepared kitchen paper so that you can drain some of that oil off. Because we cook them in a lot of oil, I like to do a second draining because I think the first paper gets quite saturated. So I just do a transfer and put them on some more kitchen paper. All right, then you want to spread them out and put some salt on while they're still warm because you want the salt to stick to the almonds. Put a little bit more than you need because inevitably some of the salt will fall off. Some people add paprika at this stage. Smoked paprika will give you a barbecue flavor, which is also great. All right, and then you just need to spread them out and let them cool. It takes around 10 minutes to cool. And there you have it, the perfect salty snack to go with your drinks. Okay, remember to subscribe, like, you know the drill, and I'll see you next time.